Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. Actually, I was out of town. That's why I was not able to talk to you. I just
It's
came back.
okay, it's okay. Yes, right,
Yeah, this is good. This is good.
Excuse me.
Hello.
Hello? Yes, you have gone through the mail, right?
Yes, I've gone through the mail also.
Yeah. And spoke about your division also. I spoke to my head. She said, when a person takes for the, goes for their corporate account, we make sure that we start with a clean check, so all the fake reviews and everything will be deleted
Okay.
from there. So
Okay.
everything will be, everything will be from a clean slate.
Okay.
Okay.
Now tell me,
So
I've gone through the mail.
yes, sir.
And there are some charges. I think 1 lakh rupees approx.
Yes, sir.
That is the annual charges.
I mean, that's different charges, yes, that's annual. There are different charges, sir. So, that's the reason why I asked you which feature you want to go for. So I'll just take a box price from my.
No, when I just want to one question that when you can remove all the fake reviews after taking a corporate plan, then why you are not, no, then why you are not removing fake reviews without taking plan? Means when you know this is the fake review, then why you are publishing it?
So see, now we have come across such things, so we know lots of fake reviews. So if you come on board, sir, we clean it off. We clean the entire thing because we want to build a rapport with you.
No, you want to build a rapport with me, it's good. But when you know this is a fake review, I am claiming you that is a fake review, then you should remove it simply. Means for removing fake reviews, I need to pay 1 lakh rupees. That is not a point.
No, it's not about removing fake reviews, sir. That money is not for removing fake reviews, sir. There's a different scenario, sir. I mean, you have taken
No,
that
no, no.
plan to different.
No, I'm just saying. I'm just saying
Yes, sir.
that if on the website of Mouthshut somebody is putting fake reviews, and I'm requesting you, please, this is a fake review. Please remove it, or otherwise give me a proof.
See, sir, for customers, from consumer point of view, we label it as fake. Right. Now you know that on your account, that's a fake review. So what we will do is we'll delete it. But for consumers who, let's say a company which is there are a lot of fake reviews, so we label it as fake. When the consumer comes on Mouthshut and he checks, he says it's a fake review, so it doesn't refer it. Okay, now you are coming on board, so all the reviews that we have labeled as fake.
No, I'm coming on board just because there are some fake reviews. Otherwise.
No, not because of fake, trust me. Apart from fake reviews, you'll get a lot of different benefit also, sir. I mean, if you're taking only that, so that is a different thing. I just don't want you to come on board because of fake reviews. Trust me, you'll get a lot of differences.
No, maybe there is a differences, but right now my current scenario is that there is fake reviews and people are visiting that review and it is harming us. That's why I'm talking to you. Otherwise, there is no point of view that I'm not approaching you or you are not approaching me for any other concern. We are talking the same thing just because there are the fake reviews. So I no. If I'm not taking, let's suppose, if I'm not taking your the corporate package, then you will not remove that fake review.
No, it will be there. It will be labeled as fake and it will be there on your page, sir.
No.
It is all for consumers' point of view, sir. We have labeled it as fake stamp. Right? So
no, when it's fake, no. When it's fake, then why it's over there? You should maintain only. Why?
We don't delete review, so we don't delete any review.
You have deleted my review. You have deleted my review.
So we have hidden it up. We never deleted. So because you responded, sir, you responded to a review. You didn't write a review.
No, I'm just saying that you have all the powers, you have all the features, that you can do anything with anybody. Because this is your website, that is your point, that is your portal.
So we don't delete any reviews, sir. We don't delete any review. Even if you have written your review now, we would have labeled it as fake, but we would have not deleted your review. You responded to that review in a review manner, that is why we deleted it. It's a different scenario, sir. But there's a different scenario. And why we delete? Because we want our customers to have a fresh page to start new. We don't, because they are coming on board, they're paying us money, so we don't want to hamper their business.
No, I'm just saying that whatever person is paying to you, you are doing, you are removing their fake reviews and you are removing their negative reviews also.
No negative reviews. You're taking me in the wrong way. Whichever review is fake, if a corporate, let's say you say Made in India, the competitor, they have written review about you. So that's a competitor. So we'll label it as fake and we'll remove it. But negative reviews will be there.
No, I'm just
negative reviews.
There are only 3 reviews 2 from ex-employee, 1 from competitor. Okay. I have given you lots of requests. I have given you mails, all things in previous, I think last 6 months. I'm doing the same thing every time, but nobody is contacting us. Nobody is giving any response. Whatever the person is contacting us in the earlier time, I think 3 months back, that is also same person also gives the same concept that you have to take a corporate plan. Then only we can hide these things. Otherwise, you need to no. When you are admitting that this is a fake, when I'm giving you the proof this is a fake, then what is the point to putting that fake review on your website?
We are labeling as that review as fake. Right?
No, you have not labeled it. You have not labeled it fake.
So that's what I'm saying. So we'll label it and we'll remove it.
I have given you requests several times in my previous time.
But trust me, this time I'll make sure it happens. Because I have spoken to my head also. That's what she said. Once she comes on board, all the fake reviews, not the negative reviews, all the fake reviews.
I'm just saying, if I'm not coming on board, if I'm not coming on board, then why it's not removing you?
It will be there. It will be labeled as fake. For consumer who come on board, they see it. I mean, if they refer it, I mean, their choice. But for our side, we label it as fake stuff or fake review. So it's better to go for corporate plan, and increase your, improve the overall image of Mouthshut. I mean, you have seen the traffic that we get on the education sector.
No, that is Arfat. This is a secondary matter. That is a secondary matter. That I'm taking a plan or not. That is a secondary. The priority thing is when you are considering, when I'm giving you the request that this is a fake review, please fake it or hide it or whatever what you can do it. Then you are giving me suggestion that sir, just go for a corporate plan. Corporate plan is secondary thing. I'm just requesting you. This is a fake review.
First, let's talk about the fake review.
Yes.
Now, if a company, not a person, a consumer, no. If a company or you have written any good or bad things about your company, we will label it as fake. Okay. Now, if you don't come on board, that review will be there for consumers to see. Now, as you're coming on board, sir, we don't want you to, we don't want you to get the business hampered because of the fake reviews. Because you're paying us money, right? So in return, we also want to give you some profit.
I'm not saying after paying money what you will give. I'm not talking about that. I'm just saying before taking money, before giving money to you. I'm just saying before giving money to you, what I need, just first mark them fake. All these 3 reviews because these are fake.
Yeah, definitely I will mark them fake. Then once you come on board, we'll hide them. We won't delete them. We don't delete reviews, so we hide reviews. We won't delete reviews. We don't delete reviews. We don't have the.
Sir, it's not about that I will come on board. It's about before coming on board what you will do.
So I label it as fake. Once it is fake, it is written by a competitor. We label it as fake.
Okay.
We label it as fake. It will be there. Once you come on board, we'll hide that reviews for you to start on a good note. A clean slate. So you can, get your own positive reviews from your happy students.
Okay. Just do it. Means please mark it as fake, and then I'll update you over the mail.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir. So
Thank you.
Should I give you a call?
Just whenever you mark it fake.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Thank you. Hello.
Hello, listen.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, actually.